little battery which is also scrappable, similar to cell phone batteries. At least that's what the scrapyards usually pay. Oh, there you go. So you have plenty of boards from what I see. A lot more screws everywhere. Some copper, some wiring. Yeah, pretty interesting. So let's unscrew some of this stuff. So many little screws everywhere, it's crazy. So there's a nice little board here, some IC chips, some monolith capacitors, some ribbon cables, but no gold unfortunately on the ribbon cables. But let's still keep those ribbon cables. A nice little, maybe a medium board. What else here? It feels like something's being held. There you go. So a ribbon. So we have a little battery here, not anything interesting. Got some switches or buttons, maybe some silver in there.